worst storm in a decade lashes at the west coast of Europe, leaving tens of thousands homeless as heavy seas are pushed inland by gale winds. From Scotland to the Scandinavian Peninsula, devastation was great, but destruction was heaviest in the German port of Hamburg. Most of the dead and missing, more than 250 persons, are from the area around this West German shipping center where coastal and harbor craft took a beating from the gales as they tried to fight their way to port. A tug labors to bring a lumber barge to safety. More than 15,000 people were forced from their homes in Hamburg. They were among the 100,000 who found themselves homeless in West Germany. The storm and floods penetrated more than 60 miles south of the country's North Sea coast, and everywhere wreckage marked the storm's fury. Temperatures dropped rapidly, and rescue workers braved freezing waters in their search for more than 100 missing persons. In the Netherlands, dikes gave way against the onslaught of the sea, and the waters poured in to flood hundreds of square miles. No official estimate has been made of the damage, but it is expected that it will amount to billions of marks. Not since 1953 has Europe experienced such a winter storm. In that year, 1,700 died in the Netherlands alone. As the search for the missing goes on, the Bonn government is rushing relief missions to aid the thousands of homeless victims.